bersama. Energizer, inilah masanya. Perkongsian ilmu teknologi terkini, membangun kemahiran menuju pelestari. Google Spreadsheets dan juga Forms, Drive, YouTube, G-MEET, alat perform. Pembelajaran digital jarak jauh tak terbatas dengan Cikgu. Masa depan kita cerah pasti jelas. Cikgu Energizer, kita bersinar bersama membangun pendidikan digemilangan. Dengan Google kita marah bersama, inovasi berterusan untuk semua. Perkongsian amalan terbaik, jalan berkelasum teknologi yang terkini. Guru proaktif, inovatif sentiasa, komuniti pendidikan bersama berjaya. Google Spreadsheets dan juga Forms, Drive, YouTube, G-MEET, alat perform. Pembelajaran digital jarak jauh tak terbatas dengan Cikgu. Masa depan kita cerah pasti jelas. Cikgu Energizer, kita bersinar bersama membangun pendidikan digemilangan. Dengan Google kita marah bersama, inovasi berterusan untuk semua. Google Spreadsheets dan juga Forms, Drive, YouTube, G-MEET, alat perform. Pembelajaran digital jarak jauh tak terbatas dengan Cikgu. Masa depan kita cerah pasti jelas. Cikgu Energizer, kita bersinar bersama membangun pendidikan digemilangan. Dengan Google kita marah bersama, inovasi berterusan untuk semua. Energizer, kita bersinar bersama membangun pendidikan digemilangan. Dengan Google kita marah bersama, inovasi berterusan untuk semua. Platform perkongsian amalan terbaik, jalan berkelasum teknologi yang terkini. Guru proaktif, inovatif sentiasa, komuniti pendidikan bersama berjaya. Mari guru pendidik hebat, bersama kita mencapai matlamat. Dengan G-MEET langkah kita.
We are here live on 25th October, online from Rembau. I'm Rahmawati, your tonight, and you see our next presenter, Mr. Yuto Katano. So Mr. Yuto Katano is a Google certified innovator with 5 years of teaching experience at the Japanese School Singapore, Changi campus, where he was responsible for around 30 students annually. He took on the role of ICT coordinator in his final year, supporting technology across the entire school. After that, he started his own business in Singapore, providing a variety of technology classes for both children and adults, focusing mainly on Google tools, AI, and video editing. He also teaches technology and Japanese at an international school in Singapore. And he said he has one little secret, but it's not going to be a secret anymore now, that I'm telling you guys, that his wife is Malaysian. Okay, having said that, okay, the floor is yours, Mr. Yuto Katano.
All right. Hello, everyone, and thanks for lovely introduction. Yes, my wife is Malaysian. Actually, she's in here. I don't think she's gonna turn the camera on, but she's besides me, and she's in this Google Meet.
That's great.
And also, just now I was watching the. Actually, sorry, I don't remember her name, but the Sitari.
Titari.
Yeah, Sitari. Yes.
Adan oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I really didn't know the this GEG Energizer is like so many sessions. I saw it's only me, but there are tons of sessions, and everything looks fantastic. So I couldn't attend the previous ones, but I wanna get updated from with you guys. Yeah. And so this konbanwa means good afternoon. I mean, no, wait, good evening. And also, let me say one more thing. I was so happy that I'm in this Energizer groups, and also I guess I'm the only Japanese, right? Is it correct?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yay. よろしくお願いします。Maybe よろしくね。よろしく。よろしくね。All right. So, let me share my screen now. Hold on. This one. Yes. Okay. Okay. So basically, I'm gonna talk about spreadsheets. Okay. Spreadsheets. I love spreadsheets. Okay. And of course, these days I use tons of AIs, but after all, we have to think and we have to know the numbers, right? So I like to get a numbers, data, and then use this data to the next step, right? So, and also the spreadsheets basically can do many. So I love spreadsheets. So I'm gonna talk about really awesome way to use spreadsheets, okay? And hold on. Actually, I forgot to update my. I think your introduction was great, but I didn't update some. So at first, I was an artist in Singapore. This is my first career in the Japanese school in 2017. And then I think in this 2017, I mean, from long time before, I was a Google user. So, and then I started using it in education. But at the time, in Japanese school, Singapore has really loves paper. I think, I'm not sure how your school working, but I don't like to use paper because it's like to me, it takes too many times, too long times. And also I don't like to write. Actually, I cannot write well. I'm not good at handwriting. So I don't like to use paper to write something. But of course I have to teach them because I was in the primary school. So that's why, of course, we have to use paper at some point, but for the teachers' work, we have to switch to the digital, right? So I started using Google in my school, and then I became classroom teacher, and then during COVID-19 hit, I started doing YouTube, okay? And also I became a ICT coordinator. So basically I handle all of the technology things in my school. And then after 5 years in this Japanese school, I kind of felt it's not good to say, but I felt kind of bored because I know how the school works in this school, and also I wanted to get some changes because if we stuck in the one place, we cannot get out from there, right? So I like to get many changes. Okay. So then I finished my school in Japanese school, and then I started my own business in Singapore. And then I teach technology to many kids, adults. And then since last year, I have been in this international school, and I teach. Maybe this one later. I teach Japanese to Japanese students in this school, Granji institution, my school. And also I teach technology to all of the students in this international school. Yeah. So and also I like to this kind of event, like presenting and then giving the attendees some new ideas. So if you have if there are any chances for me to present somewhere, let me know. Okay. So, and this one was in the Google Singapore office. It was also a GEG event, but last year I did it with one of the students, and right now she's a year 6. So she's around 11 or 12 years old, and she was one of my students and she loves technologies. So we did a co-presenting with together, and her presentation was awesome. And also I think 2 weeks ago, or 3 weeks ago, we had a GEG Energizer in Singapore as well, and we presented together again. But unfortunately, she went back to Japan already. So she joined us through online. Yeah. So so these days, everyone talking about AI, right? Who use AI like daily basis? Put some emoji there. I bet most of you guys using it, right? Of course, if you don't use it, that's fine, okay? But basically, everyone using AI, right? So, of course, I'm gonna share some kind of quick introduction about like how I use it at the end. But like when I use AI, I feel like it's very important to read and write. Of course, writing with the AI, basically not like a handwriting, right? But we have to type, okay? But I definitely think reading is really important. And maybe it relates to the logical thinking as well, right? So then I also saw the learning this kind of reading and writing it might not be fun for kids. Because I mean, my class is definitely fun for my kids. I mean, I try to make it really fun, but I see some, like, not in my school, but I heard many kind of, it's hard to hear, but some teachers like doing really old-fashioned style class with the reading and writing, and they don't update it. So I felt like we have to make the learning fun, right? So here's my question: how might we make learning for kids fun and engaging? I believe most of you guys want to make it fun and also engaging for kids, right? So this one, oh, I cannot zoom it, but this one is a read aloud card, and traditionally we use this kind of paper. We print it it's about in Japan, okay? We print this and then give it to students, and then it's gonna be like a homework, okay? So basically, it's when you read it, what did you read and how was it? Okay, so these are the really typical common read aloud card. Okay, and also it's basically paper basis. So I wanted to change this one, okay, to make more like a visible, and also we can get some data. Okay, so I created this Waku Waku read aloud card. So the basically it's this one. So please watch this first. Okay. So it looks like this. It's made in Google Spreadsheets. And when you read it, you can get some points. And then we put the check. Then you get a medal. Okay. And then, it's of course it's colorful. I put some conditional formatting. And also, I put the like a read aloud by
日本語
professionals.
多読ブックスレベル0
Yeah, this kind of professional reading, we can listen to it as well. And also, this is the most important part. We can get a medal, and it becomes like a Ghibli pictures. It's up to how many medals you get, okay? And now the kids really love this, okay? So this is what I make, okay? So, and also this, thank you, LJ, thank you. This Waku Waku, you know what Waku Waku means? Any guess? And also, have you ever heard of it? I guess some, yes. Who said it? Atika. Yes, you're correct. Anya, yes. Oh, not waku waku doesn't mean Anya, okay? Anya is one of the characters name in the what do you call it? Spy Family. You know Spy Family? You love it? And Anya say waku waku, right? So but this one, I mean, I didn't take it from her, okay? I just like the word waku waku. It's basically meaning like excited or cool, like happy, okay? So I basically use this waku waku word at many places. This one also, like I created one shuriken waku waku sheet. This is just to make it sounds fun. It doesn't, I don't know if the kids get excited about it, but I made we have to make some like origami shuriken. Shuriken is like a ninja kind of stuff, okay? So we had to make almost like a 100, and if you like you have to make 100 shurikens, then it's gonna be quite like, I don't want it, it's too many, right? So I just wanted to make it fun. So I just put a name, put the waku waku, and then, but this one was a spreadsheet. So basically, when you make one, then you can put your name here, okay? And then it goes to the data, and it's gonna be the graph, and then it's visible who contributed the most. Of course, there will be like a little contribution from some students, but that's totally fine. Because as a team, we needed to make this shuriken, okay? So basically, it's really good for us to see the numbers in spreadsheets, and then we can make kids' effort visible, right? So so basically, I like to use waku waku, okay? Because it sounds cute and sounds maybe exciting, okay? So let me give you more details, okay? So so basically we can listen to audio and then we read aloud. This is quite important for us to pronounce, because especially for the young learners. I work in a year 1 to year 6. I mean primary 1 to primary 6. So basically for young learners, okay? And also we can get a medals when we read it, and also we can see the Ghibli story, and we can see kids' effort. Okay. So let me get to more details. So basically, to get medals, I use this one. Okay. Basically, like ifs and actually only ifs. It's really simple. Let me show you this one. Hold on. Okay. Now you can see, right? Good. So this is the actual spreadsheet. Okay. So inside here, I put this if ella. Okay. Let's make it bigger. Oh, and also here's I put the image function. Okay. And here got the I forgot to put it in English, but so it's like if it's true, it's gonna be this color, this color, this color. Okay, quite simple. And then let me get back to this one. And this Ghibli story, it looks quite complicated, but it's quite simple. Only image and sum and ifs. Okay. Let's check in the actual ones. So basically, this is a image function. But the inside is like if we put ponyo, let's say this one, ponyo, you know ponyo, right? If you choose ponyo, it goes to all of the ponyo images here, okay? So and also if you get we count the sums of how many times they read, and I mean how many medals they get. So we put the sums, the total number of here, and it goes to these images. I didn't expect a lot from kids to get how excited they can be, but they really love this one. Of course, without this read aloud card, they still read it. They really like having fun in learning. Okay, but with this one, they learn more. Okay, and it's much more fun. Okay, so hold on, and also let me show you one more. Oh, maybe okay, this one first. So, and also the Ghibli's images, some of you might thought, oh, Yuto, you might doing some copyright things, right? But actually, the producer of the Ghibli, he allows us to use it with a common sense. Meaning, if we don't use it like a really bad way, we can use it for free. Okay. So it doesn't have to be Japanese. You also can use it. Of course, the website is all in Japanese, but of course you can use Google and then translate it to the English or your own language, right? So just scan this one. You can scan this. Okay. Did you scan? Did you got it? Please scan with your phone. Okay, let me go to this. Hold on. Let me maybe I also scan here. Let me show you some. Actually, it was under COVID situation. So they thought it's going to be good for everyone. And actually, we used this image like in Twitter. Actually, we use this image a lot. So if you click one of it, okay, click one of it, and then you see the images, 50 images in each movies. Okay, so down here, it's all in Japanese, but sorry, I cannot show it right now, but just 2-finger tap over a right click, and then you can translate it to the English. Let me show you, or your own language. This one. Boom. See, I mean, some English name might be a little bit different, but you can still understand, like house, moving castle. Okay, so you can direct translate inside here with the Google Chrome. Okay, so you can see lots of images, and then once you click it, you get the more bigger size images. But I don't like the manually doing it. So basically, when you click the right click, when you do the right click here or 2-finger tap, and then you can get the copy image address. Okay, and this image address is really important. So let me get back to here, and then I made a list of these image addresses. Okay, so maybe this time. So okay, hold on. Just now I got a howl, but I want to do something new. Let's say this one. These days this what do you call the boy. This one's out Netflix. I mean, like they already released it in the Netflix, so I watched it, and this one is really new. So they haven't updated everything yet. Okay, so click the image, get the image address, right finger tap, and then get that image. I mean link, and then hold on. Go back to. I mean, you can do it in your own spreadsheets. So I put the address here, okay, for now. So actually, with this one, as you can see, it says Ghibli.jp gallery and slash Kimitachi. Kimitachi is actually one of the, the title of this movie in Japanese. Kimitachi wa dou ikiru ka. That's why they put a Kimitachi here. Okay, and they put a 001 for the first image, and next one is actually 002. So if you see this, then you can get an idea of how it works, right? So basically, this is gonna be 002, right? So you can do it manually, but let me check how this will work. No, cannot. So basically, if this kind of things happen, then I put it here again. I put it here. Oh, wait, how did I do it? No. I put the number first, and then do the, what do you call it? I don't know, it's in English, but it's gonna be until 50, okay? And then this address, make it to the function like this. Kimitachi 00, this one. And then this one delete. And then and this one. And then this one, and then this one. Okay. So it's gonna be like this. And then automate it. So, but this one we need a 001. So we need to put this here 0, this one 2, and then we can do this. All right. Now it's everything is simply right. Of course, you can use it. I mean, you can ask AI to do it as well, because sometimes you need to know this kind of function, how to make it. I mean, this is not a function actually. So it's like a basic ones, but if you get this kind of idea, you can do it manually. Or you can ask AI as well. Like this is how it works, like 001, 002. So change, I mean, make this address until 050. Then AI will make it for you, right? So this one goes to the image function, like image, and then put here, just this one, fine. I mean, for the experiment basis. So this one is too small right now, but you can change the size as well, right? So let's get back to this one, okay? So basically, this is how I made it, okay? So I want, of course, some of you might think, ooh, I wanna get that data, right? Give me that data. I might give you, but I feel like you should know how to make it. Not like you getting a fish, okay? Like, I think you should know how to fish, right? How to get a fish. Then you can customize it by yourself, right? So I hope you can make it by yourself. Of course, if you have any questions, that's totally fine. Okay. Oh, too fast. Sorry.
Yeah. I was about to say that. Somebody commented it's too fast.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I mean, so this one, actually, I'm not doing the hands-on session right now. I just wanted to share how it works. Okay. Of course, if you have time, you can do it. I mean, later we might have more like free time. Then I can guide you more well. Okay.
And
But
then
right
now, a question earlier on. The question earlier on whether or not you can share the formula or the spreadsheet.
formulas.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, wait, hold on. Actually, this spreadsheet, the actual one, right now I cannot share it. You know why? Because this one I put some downloadable professional reading data. So if I give this for everyone here, then I think the company of this professional reading, I think they might.
I don't have an issue with that.
Yeah, it's kind of risky for me for now.
Okay, understood. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
let me give you the formula. Hold on. Yeah, maybe later I will think how I give it to you. Okay, is that okay? Yeah. Thank you, Ne. So okay. Let me talk fast. Okay, I mean talk first. Okay. All right. So wait, can you share to the video? Yeah, I know. Actually, later I'm gonna share the YouTube link of myself, but it's all in Japanese. Of course, it's AI. It's that you might get a script for free and then change it to the Japanese. I mean, to the English or your own language. But I haven't set up the English version. Okay, but right now I'm trying to do it in the Heijen. It's called Heijen. Heijen is generating your own avatar in the web. So it's like it looks like I'm speaking it, but I can they automatically generate like English or Malay with my own voice. Okay, so of course this one you have to give them some permissions to do it. It's called Heijen. Oops, sorry, Heijen. Okay, so this one is really good. For free, you can create your only one avatar, and also there are some restrictions and there will be some watermark. Okay, but you still can explore how you look like. Let's say Atika's with Atika's voice, and then Atika speaks Japanese, right? So this kind of video you can make. Okay, so I mean this one I'm still exploring, so I'm not sure how much I'm gonna use it, but so I'm trying to set up my YouTube in English as well. So wait for it. Okay, so hold on. All right. Wait. All right. So at first I said how might we make learning for kids fun and engaging, but to do that I have to use technology, power of technology, like a Google or AI or any apps. Okay, but I can use technology, but also I want kids to use it as well. So that's why for me, I have to use technology for learning every day, every single day. I let my Japanese students use technology like a laptop, MacBook for every day. Okay, because if I don't know how to control it, how to behave it in digital world, then they might not be able to use power of technology like really well, right? So I definitely let them use it every day. So to me, in Japan, there are some teachers that really don't like technologies. Okay, I know there is still this kind of people, but no choice. They are afraid of changing, right? So we cannot avoid changes, especially with this AI era. The translation definitely we are not gonna need it. Of course, in this Google Meet, I still use English, and of course I can speak Japanese, and then I can maybe present well more in Japanese, right? So for this kind of communication, we definitely need a language. I mean, skill of the speaking languages, other languages. But for the getting some information or getting some ideas, we don't necessarily need different reading skills of another language, because you can just change it to your own languages with AI, and it's easier, right? So anyway, so to me, definitely we have to let the students use technology every day. And of course, it's have to be for learning at first, but they might create something fun with technologies, right? So then they can be more confident in their technology, or yeah. So I hope you guys also let students use technology quite often. Okay. All right. So here's my let me show you some. This one, my how to use Google at School YouTube channel. And this one is, unfortunately, it's in Japanese. Okay. And this one, the second YouTube channel, this one is like a gaming channel. I started like a few months ago, and I just basically posting the short videos of my playing the Smash. Anyone plays Smash? Anyone plays? I'm quite good. Nintendo Switch. Okay, it's called Smash Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Because I also wanted to know how the students feel about like creating their gaming website. Oh, Xenomax, we can play together. I'm quite good. Anyway, so this is YouTube, the different one, and then Twitter, Facebook, and WhatsApp. So any contact, you can DM me or text me. Okay. All right. So any questions so far?
Okay. Any question?
I still have one more videos to show you
Okay.
how I create Google Forms with AI. Okay, but I want to stop here now. Do you have any questions?
So you're showing the video after this?
I mean, if we still have time, yeah.
Oh yeah, we have time.
Okay, I mean, but right now I want to stop and then get some questions if you guys have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything? I guess not. They're too busy looking at your video.
Oh, make sure.
Everything Japanese anime character is so cute.
Oh yeah, this one I created by myself. Oh, and also make sure you hit the subscribe button, okay? And also some Heliza Hashim, and also N Ahmad. Thank you for adding me on Facebook. Later I will respond it. Thank you.
Okay, somebody asked Mr. Yuto, how
Oh.
long does it take to create the character?
Wait, the character, okay. Character, hold on. Let me show you the exact. I think I can share it with you. Hold on. I want to show it. This one. It should be this one. So I created like this. This one I also created. Like basically the conditional formatting, right? So this one, simple. But of course it takes quite a long time to do this. Like if you press let's say 62, it's gonna be this color, right? Okay. So I basically put, I mean this one is different myself, but I get some pixel art. You can search it easy, right? So let's say Pokemon pixel art. Let me search for you. So if I search like this, pixel art Pokemon, it's gonna be, maybe I can do this one quickly. So this one, just click it, and then 2-finger tap, and then copy image, and then go back to here, and then paste it. And then hold on. So basically, look at this on the right side, and then I basically copy it like this. And how many? 5. Yeah, something like this. Okay. So the character myself like this. I don't remember how long did it take, but I don't know. Definitely less than 30 minutes. Okay. And these are some other example. This one is the walking one. I get some idea from the internet. I just searched it. I don't remember how I get this, but I just searched like how to create a character moving or something. And then I got this image. Then I just tried to imitate it with my own character. So, and then I put it into at that time I put it into not Google, what do you call it? Keynote in the Apple Keynote, and then paste it there and then generated the GIF image. So that's how I get this guy. Okay, so it looks like working. I mean, it still looks kind of weird, but looks like working, right? So, but these days I basically use Canva to do it. Canva to create a GIF. It's much more easier. Okay, so maybe for this one, this working one, it took like quite long. I think like 3 hours or something, because I didn't know how to do it. And the right one, this girl, it's less than 30 minutes, I guess. It was quite easy. Okay. Oh yeah, look like Minecraft. Yes. I mean, I like games. I don't play Minecraft, but I do like this kind of pixel art because I used to play like Pokemon and also some other like this kind of pixel art game, right? So yeah, that's why. And also I knew kids likes Minecraft. And if the kids like Minecraft, then definitely they like to create it by yourself, right? Then I thought it's gonna be fun for kids to create it by themselves. I mean, I did this pixel art thing for my technology students. I mean, in my school, in my international school, and they loved it. Everyone loved it. Yeah, and also I did it for the year 1 and year 2 as well. Even though it was their first time to use the laptops, they still can manage to do it. Okay, it's really good. Yeah. And also that this one, can we use the pictures from other websites too? I think this one is about pixel art, right? And this one, yes, I mean, I think, yeah, just get it from any other website. Of course, it's kind of this one. Yeah, let's say this one. I created the Ai Hoshino from the idol. I created this by myself, but I also searched it and it's, and I paste it here, and then I manually create it. I mean, it was fun. It was fun to create, okay? But it's kind of copy of their creation. So it's a little bit, I don't post this original image for the pixel art. Not this one. There's another, I mean, I just searched it like Ai Hoshino and then pixel art. Then this one came up. That's why I just used it. But you can create it for fun and you can create it for your own use. But I kind of wanted to avoid some and like quarrel in Twitter or somewhere. So I didn't post this about, yeah. So, and this one, Giyu Tomioka, this one also from the internet. I just copied it. I mean, I put the image here and then I created it by myself. Okay. Yep. So this is how it works. So let me get back to some questions. Oh yeah, legendary Pokemon Blue, Yellow, Emerald. Oh, the universe here. Yes. And also there's one. Hold on. You use the code created. This city no Rahayu Binti. You use the code created. What does this mean? In the chat. What code is it? I mean, I know the coding about what kinds of coding did I mention? I mean, what is it about?
So I'm not so sure myself. Maybe he's talking about the creating of the characters, but you are, showing us how you create them already.
something like image. Oh,
Hmm.
image of which one? Pixel art? Okay, image code. What is image code? Did I put something there? Actually, I don't know what it is. I'm not sure. You can talk as well if you don't mind. Color code, or is it? If it's a color code, you mean the conditional formatting? This one I did it by myself. I mean, it took so long time. Okay, because I have to choose. I have to like exact same, and then I put at one, and then I have to change the color of this one, and then I change this color to this one as well. This is how it works. I mean, this is how I create it. I did it from the 1 to 70. Okay. I don't know about the code. Any more questions? imageloves.com. Oh, there is this kind of pixel thing, is it? I didn't use this. I mean, you know, I love Google, right? So that's why I wanted to do everything in Google. Okay. Yeah. That's why I created in the spreadsheets. I mean, I like to create this kind of fun things in the Google tools. Yeah. I also created some board games in the spreadsheets. I mean, no, Google tools. Actually, it was Google Slides. Yeah. Anything more? Is that okay? Oh, thank you, Zenomax. Thank you so much. And we have to play Smash together. All right. So maybe I move on to the last one. I wanted to get this one. Is that okay to get some Google Forms from the attendees here? Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. So this one, let me share the link to the Google Forms. And it's just a simple one. I just want some feedbacks.
Okay. You have like 5 more minutes.
Yeah. So maybe you put this, answer this Google Forms and this one, and just name and how was it and what was the impressive part. But this one, before you answer it, I mostly created this with AI. Final touch was by me, but basically I used the, ChatGPT and then put it into a coding. Okay, let me show you how it works. This one is how I create the Google Forms with. It's called Google Script.
The forms, it says it needs permission.
Oh, sorry. Hold on. Oh, hold on.
Sharing.
Yeah, I think I didn't turn it off. All right, refresh it and then please do it again. Thank you. Okay, so hold on. This one, let me share this one. So this is how I made it. I didn't cut anything. I mean, later I have to cut some, but this is how I made it. Let me show you. So basically, I asked the ChatGPT to become my professional gas engineer. And then let me skip some. Wait. And then create a gas code to create a Google Forms asking attendees for my webinar with Google Educators group. And then, yeah, and then I think this one. Wait, this one. And how was my presentation? And they are basically from Malaysia. I put this one, okay? And then they generated this kind of coding, okay? Actually, I'm not the programmer. I'm not an engineer. I just know how to use the laptops. Okay. And I copied everything. And then I opened the new tab and the forms of new, and then getting the new form. And then actually this process doesn't have to be, but I just need to go to this Google Apps script. Okay. And then once I reach to the Google Apps script, I just choose everything and then paste it, update it, and then save it, and then run it. And then they will ask me some permissions. Okay, let me skip some and just choose yes, approve, and then choose my account, and then also approve it. And then they start it, and then they generate a link for me from URL. Then I just copied it and then paste it, and then this was what they made. But then I saw, oh, maybe email address, I don't have to put it here. And also I changed some settings, which I forgot to allow everyone to answer it. But so I just did some final touch. Yeah. And yeah, then I just get an email. I mean, no email, address. Okay. So this is how these days I use this quite often to generate like an exit ticket for the students to submit. And also these days I generate some Kahoot quiz, and then I put it into the Kahoot with templates. So I just use it quite tons of times, and then it definitely gives me more time. I don't want to create everything by myself. AI will do it, right? So this is how I created this Google Forms. Okay. So basically, you don't have to do a lot. AI will do it for you. But of course, you have to know like how to handle it, right? How to run it, and also and what you cannot do it as well, right? Okay, I think I showed everything I wanted to show.
Okay, all right. Is that
Yeah.
all for
Yep.
now?
I mean, for now, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. It just shows
Yep.
that I know you're moving very fast. I know, but
Yep.
some of us can actually catch up with you.
Mm.
It only shows that you're so good at what you're doing. Okay. So congratulations on that. Okay. We couldn't wait actually for your tutorial to be
I
done
know. Yep.
in English. All right.
Yes.
So we hope to get it soon. Get news about it.
Mm.
So we can get hold of it, okay? So we can see whatever it is that you are trying to, engage us into.
Yeah.
So this is very inspiring indeed, not for the students, but for the teachers as well. All
Yes.
right, because I guess what you said about children needs to be with technology is so true, because that is the language of the world education now, right? So
Mhm.
it's technology. Okay, thank you so much,
Mm.
Mr. Yuto,
Mm.
and we hope to get together meeting like this again someday soon.
Yeah.
Right, thank you so
Definitely.
much. We really appreciate whatever it is that you shared with us today. Thank you so much.
I mean, so sorry. I think it was quite too fast.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Okay.
But this question was,
Yeah.
to me, it's not a hands-on
Mhm.
session.
Mhm.
So I mean, we didn't record it, is it? We didn't do
Um,
recording, is it?
yeah, I don't think so.
Okay.
I'm not so sure, but it's on YouTube. So
I mean, this one is not in YouTube yet.
no, I mean the whole thing that we are doing.
Oh, this one already in YouTube, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Good, good,
Okay,
good.
can rewatch in YouTube.
Yeah, okay. Yep.
Okay, thank you so much for
Thank
being
you so
with
much.
us.
ありがとうございます。Terimakashi.
Uh,
Is that correct?
yeah, it's correct. It's correct. どうもありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
Okay. さよなら。
はい、Thank you ね。
バイバイ。
Bye.
Mari semua pendidik bersama GG Energizer, inilah masanya. Perkongsian ilmu teknologi terkini, membangun kemahiran menuju pelestari. Google Spreadsheets dan juga Forms, Drive, YouTube, G-MEET, alat perform. Pembelajaran digital jarak jauh tak terbatas dengan GG. Masa depan kita cerah pasti jelas. GG Energizer, kita bersinar bersama membangun pendidikan digemilangan. Dengan Google kita marah bersama, inovasi berterusan untuk semua. Perkongsian amalan terbaik, jalan berkelasan teknologi yang terkini. Guru proaktif, inovatif sentiasa, komuniti pendidikan bersama berjaya. Google Spreadsheets dan juga Forms, Drive, YouTube, G-MEET, alat perform. Pembelajaran digital jarak jauh tak terbatas dengan GG. Masa depan kita cerah pasti jelas. GG Energizer, kita bersinar bersama membangun pendidikan digemilangan. Dengan Google kita marah bersama, inovasi berterusan untuk semua. Google Spreadsheets dan juga Forms, Drive, YouTube, G-MEET, alat perform. Pembelajaran digital jarak jauh tak terbatas dengan GG. Masa depan kita cerah pasti jelas. GG Energizer, kita bersinar bersama membangun pendidikan digemilangan. Dengan Google kita marah bersama, inovasi berterusan untuk semua. GG Energizer, kita bersinar bersama membangun pendidikan digemilangan. Dengan Google kita marah bersama, inovasi berterusan untuk semua. Platform perkongsian awalan terbaik, jalan berpasung teknologi yang terkini. Guru proaktif, inovatif sentiasa, komuniti pendidikan bersama berjaya. Mari guru pendidik hebat, bersama kita mencapai matlamat. Dengan GG langkah kita tersusun, membangun pendidikan, harapan diteruskan. GG Energizer, kita bersinar maju. Dengan teknologi kita terus berilmu, pendekatan baru, masa depan cerah. GG Energizer, bersama kita megah. Bersama kita megah.